Our journey in Greece began as we arrived at Athens International Airport. After landing, we smoothly completed immigration, customs, and baggage claim, and then proceeded to the arrival exit area. There, we were warmly greeted by a representative from our tour operator Vikings Navita, who was waiting for us holding a sign with our name, a comforting and well-organizing start to our trip. Soon after, we set off towards Athens city. The drive from the airport was smooth and comfortable, taking approximately 45 to 60 minutes. Along the way, we went through several modern road tunnels which instantly caught our attention. Since Athens is surrounded by hills and mountains, to save time and avoid steep roads, the city uses tunnels that go through the hills instead of over them. It was our first look at Greece's well-planned road system. Athens makes us think of the Acropolis, ancient ruins, charming streets, and a city where history meets everyday life. The time is now 3 pm. Finally, we arrived at our hotel in Athens, the Philippos Hotel, conveniently located near the Acropolis Museum. After completing a few hotel formalities, we went up to our room to freshen up a bit. Since it was already afternoon, we decided to step out again and spend the rest of the day exploring Athens city on our own rather than staying inside. In this video, I have captured a few moments from our walk through the streets of Athens that day. Athens is one of the oldest cities in the world, with a history of more than 3,000 years. It is often called the birthplace of democracy, philosophy, and Western civilization. In ancient times, Athens was a powerful city-state. This was the age of great thinkers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. During this period, magnificent monuments such as the Parthenon were built on the Acropolis. Later, Athens came under Roman rule, followed by the Byzantine Empire and then the Ottoman Empire. In the 19th century, after Greece gained independence, Athens became the capital of modern Greece. Today, Athens is a place where ancient ruins stand beside busy streets, cafes, and museums. As we walked along the street, we saw oranges tree lining the road, and many of them were heavy with oranges. We kept walking through the streets of Athens, and evening slowly set in. We started looking for a nice restaurant and finally sat down to enjoy our dinner here. If you ever visit Athens, I would definitely recommend this restaurant. Try to have lunch or dinner here at least once. It's a really nice place, especially if you love fish. The seafood here is excellent. The restaurant name is written in Greek letters, but it is pronounced as Ekopito in English. After completing our dinner, we headed back to the hotel. And just like that, our entire day came to an end. So this was our entire day walking around Athens. We didn't visit the Acropolis Museum that day because it was arranged for another day. From tomorrow we start our Greece land classical tour with chat tour as arranged earlier by our tour operator Vikings Navita. Our first day in Athens ends here. But the city's story is far from over. It's just the beginning. Make sure to subscribe and join me in the next vlog for more amazing Greece moments. Thank you so much for watching.